Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Sony Catalyst browse plugins for editing workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To download Sony Catalyst browse plugins for your editing workflows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Sony Creative Software website. In the search bar, type Catalyst Browse and press Enter. Locate the Catalyst Browse product page from the search results. Once on the product page, look for the Download section. Select the Plugins tab to find the available plugins for download. Review the list of plugins to ensure they are compatible with your version of Catalyst Browse. Click on the desired plugin link to access the download page. Read any instructions or system requirements provided on the download page. Locate the download button, typically labeled as Download Now or similar. Click the download button to start downloading the plugin file to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the plugins. After installation, open Sony Catalyst Browse to ensure the plugins are properly integrated. Check the plugin menu to verify that the new features are available for your editing workflows. You are now ready to enhance your editing experience with the new plugins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.